হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, আজকে আমরা ক্লাস 6-এর জিওগ্রাফি আর্থ অ্যাজ আ রোটেটিং প্ল্যানেটের এক্সারসাইজ করব। এক্সারসাইজটা শুরু করার আগে আজকের কুইজ তোমাদের বলে দিই। হাউ মেনি পার্টস আর দেয়ার ইন আ কমেট? নেম দেম। এর অ্যান্সারটা আমি ভিডিওর যে কোনো মুহূর্তে রিভিল করব, আর অপেক্ষায় থাকব যে তোমরা কারা কারা এই রিপ্লাইটা সঠিক দিতে পেরেছো। ঠিক আছে, তো চলো সময় নষ্ট না করে শুরু করি। Earth as a rotating planet. Number A. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. The movement of the Earth, the Sun, along a fixed path is called its revolution. Number 2. During the summer solstice, there is blank season in the southern hemisphere. Answer: winter. Number 3. The solar day is divided into 24 hours. Number 4. One side of the moon is always directed towards the earth. Number 5. The rotation of earth results in light and darkness. Number B. Match the following. Number 1. Perihelion, when the earth is nearest to the sun. Number 2. Aphelion, when the earth is the furthest from the sun. Number 3. Summer solstice, 21st June. Number 4. Winter solstice, 22nd December. Number 5. Vernal equinox, 21st March. Number 6. Spring equinox, 23rd September. Next, fill in the blanks. 1. One complete rotation of the earth with respect to the sun is called the solar day. Number 2. The earth rotates around its axis from west to east direction. Number 3. The circle dividing the day from the night is called the circle of illumination. Number 4. The year with 366 days is called a leap year. Number 5. The extra day is added to the month of February. Number 6. On 21st June, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer. Number 7. On 22nd December, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the Tropic of Capricorn. Number D. Distinguish between the following: rotation and revolution. Number 1. Spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Number 1. Motion of the earth around the sun along a fixed path is called its orbit. Number 2. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Number 2. Earth takes 365.242 days to complete one revolution. Number 3. The rotation of earth causes light and darkness. Number 3. The change of seasons is caused by revolution. Next, number 2. Perihelion and aphelion. Number 1. The position when the earth is nearest to the sun. Number 1. The position when the earth is farthest from the sun. Number 2. It occurs on about January 3. It occurs on about July 4. Next, number 3. Summer solstice and winter solstice. Summer solstice, number 1. On 21st June, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer. Number 1. On 22nd December, the sun falls vertically on the Tropic of Capricorn. Number 2. The North Pole and the Northern Hemisphere are tilted towards the sun. Number 2. The South Pole and the Southern Hemisphere are tilted towards the sun. Number 3. During summer solstice, there is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in southern hemisphere. Number 3. During winter solstice, there is summer in the southern hemisphere and winter in the northern hemisphere. Next, autumn equinox and spring equinox. Autumn equinox. Number 1, on 23rd September, the sun rays fall on the equator. Number 1, on 21st March, the sun's rays fall on the equator. Number 2, it forms a 90-degree angle between the sun's rays and Earth's surface. Number 2, it forms a 90-degree angle between the sun's rays and Earth's surface. Number 3, the northern hemisphere experiences spring equinox, whereas the southern hemisphere experiences autumnal equinox. Number 3, the southern hemisphere experiences vernal or spring equinox, whereas the northern hemisphere experiences autumnal equinox. Next, number E, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1, what term is used to describe the motion of the earth around the sun? Answer, motion of the earth around the sun is called its revolution. Number 2, what is the speed of rotation of the earth at the equator? The speed of rotation at the equator is 1600 km per hour. Number 3, during rotation only half of the earth's surface faces the sun. What happens to the other half? The other half is in darkness. Number 4, when is earth furthest from the sun? When does this occur? The earth is furthest from the sun at aphelion. It occurs on or about January 3. Number 5, in what direction does the earth rotate around the sun? The earth rotates in anti-clockwise direction, that is west to east. Number 6, what season is there in the northern hemisphere during the winter solstice? Winter is experienced in the northern hemisphere during the winter solstice. তো আজকে আমি এই মুহূর্তে তোমাদের যে কুইজটা আজকে আমি দিয়েছিলাম, তো আজকে রিপ্লাইটা হলো, অ্যান্সারটা হলো, এ কমিট consists of 3 parts: center, comma and tail. Okay, তো নেক্সট আমি চলে যাচ্ছি নাম্বার F. Answer the questions briefly. Number 1, how does revolution lead to changes in the seasons? The seasons we experience on earth are related to the orientation of the earth's axis of rotation as it revolves around the sun. The earth's axis is tilted with respect to the plane of the ecliptic, the plane containing the earth's orbit around the sun. In addition, the direction towards which the axis points is fixed in shape. It aims towards Polaris, the North Star. The angle of inclination of the earth axis points to the same position throughout the whole revolution. There is a change in the season when there is a change in the position of the earth with reference to the sun. Next, number 2, what are equinoxes? Midway between the solstice dates, the equinoxes occur. Equinox is the time of the year when day and night are of equal length. At an equinox, the earth's axial tilt is neither towards nor away from the sun. The axis makes a right angle with a line drawn to the sun, and neither north nor the south pole is tilted towards the sun. At equinox, the circle of illumination passes through the north and south poles. What is a leap year? Why do we have a leap year? The earth completes a revolution around the sun in 365.242 days, about 1/4 day more than the calendar year of 365 days. Every 4 years, the extra 1/4 days add up to 1 whole day. To correct the calendar for this effect, this extra day is added to the month of February. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. What is the effect of the rotation of the earth? The earth's rotation provides the first rhythm of our planet. the daily alternation of day, that means sunlight, and night, that means darkness. The earth completes one rotation around its axis in 24 hours. The rotation of earth also results in light and darkness. This change from day to night causes temperature variations on the earth. Thus, during daytime, the temperature increases and at night it decreases. The tides and the sideward turning of ocean and air currents are further effects of the earth's rotation. So, আজকে আমি আর্থ অ্যাজ আ রোটেটিং প্ল্যানেটের এক্সারসাইজ করালাম, তার সাথে কুইজের রিপ্লাইও আমি দিয়ে দিয়েছি। আমি কিন্তু আবারও বলছি, তোমাদের রিপ্লাইয়ের অপেক্ষায় কিন্তু আমি থাকবো, তাহলে আমি বুঝতে পারবো যে তোমরা কতটা নোটসটা ফলো করছো। তো আজকে এইটুকুই। ভিডিওটা লাইক করতে ভুলো না, তার সাথে চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, বন্ধুদের সাথে প্রচুর শেয়ার করো, বেল আইকনটা প্রেস করো যাতে প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা সবার আগে পেতে পারো। ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে সাবজেক্ট ওয়াইজ প্লেলিস্ট করা আছে, কোনো ভিডিও যদি তোমাদের মিস হয়ে গিয়ে থাকে সেখান থেকে চেক আউট করে নিও। তো আজকে এইটুকুই। সবাই সুস্থ থেকো, ভালো থেকো, মন দিয়ে পড়াশুনো করো। বাই, টেক কেয়ার।